I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. Hope you guys anyways, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If this is the first time seeing it, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So guys, I was thinking if I could change this dining table to this particular position, and after changing it, I know that my husband will not accept this. So if he doesn't accept this, in the next video this dining table must have gone back to its normal position. Why I was actually thinking of changing it like this is because anytime I want to film a video from that angle, I don't get lightning that much, which is the natural lightning. And I was thinking, okay, from this other side now, okay, like, let me just drop my phone so you guys can see what I'm saying. So assuming this is a tripod, I'll get more lightning from this other end, so you guys understand. But I'm still holding it like with my hand like this, but I'm going to put it on a tripod whenever I want to film a video. So I was thinking I could change it like this, but seeing this is very odd. Anyways, if you're seeing this video, let me know what you think about this. See the way I'm sweating because I did my morning facial prep, blah blah blah, stuff like that. That's why I'm actually sweating like this, since I was supposed to just sit down, but I'm not sitting down, working. Okay, so anyways, you guys, I'm feeling so odd about this, and I know that my husband might not accept this. He might not accept this because obviously that other angle initially is 100% better than this one, but just for YouTube. So I don't know what to do again. So you guys, I don't know what to do again. I'm totally confused, but even if he's not accepting this, I cannot change back this dining table today to his normal position because it was a whole lot. It took me a whole lot of stress to actually move this to this particular angle. I don't know, I'm just so confused right now because anytime I want to film a sit down video, anytime I want to film my eating videos, because I do more of eating videos for my TikTok and then my Facebook page, it's a whole lot. Like I don't get that brightness that I actually desire. And I don't know, probably I might just change my routine and start filming my sit down video in this room. I don't know, whichever one that comes up, you guys are gonna see in the next slide or in the next video, because I don't even know what to say. Seriously, this thing is getting me Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this is me just rounding up this vlog, the vlog that we started, and this vlog has been over days. I have not said anything. I think because one or two activities is actually carrying my mind. Anyways, this vlog is coming to an end. So my husband came back and he didn't say anything about the dining. The only thing he asked me was, why did you bring the dining here? I said, because I need reflection, like light reflection for my videos. And he said, okay, if it's light reflection for your video, after all, how many persons would they invite come this house? So it is okay, even if they come to the house, even if a stranger comes to the house, they should be able to accept what we have. Okay, they should be able to like how our setting is, because everybody have their own setting. So he didn't say anything, and he was like, it's okay, since it's for my video. Okay. I'll always tell you guys that anything concerning this my social media life, I just so much thank God that this man is really supportive. I only did just one major change. The major change I did was to remove the okay, let me show you guys anyways, because I like talking with evidence and proofs. So this was just the major change that I did. I have to transfer this stuff, which is the solar stuff. This is what is giving us light. Okay, I did a solar video, so if you've not watched, go and watch. Okay, so you can see that right now sunlight is charging it. There's no light, but sunlight is charging it. So I only moved this box from down here. Initially it was down here, I moved it up. Reason because, hey, let me just see guys what happened. So I met one of my ladies. She also have this stuff, but her own was the old version, because this my own is the new version. Okay, so she said her own, that where she placed it, her children were mopping and the water was touching the stuff, which is the adapter and then the one that you connect to the solar before you can actually connect to your socket. She said her children was putting water and everything during the process of mopping, and then it affected their solar stuff. Okay, it affected the box. Anytime she just plug it, to look as if you want to spark. Okay, at some point she have to stop using it for like 3 days. Then she called them, because the rules was that if you have any issue with your Lumos box, you are supposed to call them. They don't need any other person from outside to come and fix it. They are going to be the one to fix it for you. She said for calling them alone, she have to pay 5,000 naira for them to come there. So before they now worked it, and then she now paid an extra 12,000 naira for everything to be okay, because she noticed that her own adapter went bad, and then they have to change it for her. Okay, so that means automatically she incurred over 17,000 naira cost, okay, before she started using it again. And when I heard that, I was like, what anything incurring debt, I don't like it. I hate incurring, I say debt, I hate incurring money at all. I don't even want to spend. Okay, so I have to bring this thing up, and I'm happy because the place it is right now, there's not going to be anything like when you are mopping, then water will touch stuff like that, because you guys know that our dining table, we always clean it with glass cleaner and then rag, so it is very safe. They doesn't have to bring it up. Okay, so I hope it's a bit okay anyways, and I hope you guys are liking this reflection that you guys are seeing from the back, because this was actually what I wanted to achieve. Whenever I want to talk, let me know how stress. Okay, if I'm there, I'll be having stress. Anyways, let me know what you think about the change and everything I did in this house. Is it okay? Is it not okay? Also, let me know. If you are to be in my shoe, what will you be doing? Will you be doing the same thing, or will you just option for the dining table to just get out of your house? This dining table, and see, even if you buy another dining table, even if you buy 100 dining table, honestly speaking, this dining table will still be in my house. Okay, either I'll put it in the kitchen, or I'll look for space and keep it, so that I'll be doing my mukbang video, because I love the fact that it's glass, and anytime I'm doing like my mukbang video, I don't know, there is this, I don't know how to explain it, but I just get good connection with it. Okay, so even if I'm dashing all the chairs, I'm not going to dash this thing out. Even if I'm buying new dining table sets, I'm going to be putting this one in my kitchen. Okay, probably by then I will have moved to a bigger kitchen by the special grace of God, because we are always praying for a better days. Okay, anyways, let me know what you think about this vlog. It's like I'm ranting too much. I need to go inside and do other things that I needed to do. With no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I love you guys. Peace out. Mwah.